Every week, we bring you information about ways to improve your study process and academic achievements. But this week, we want to show you why tutoring can actually change your life for the better. This week's episode is Tutoring, First-Person Experiences. Welcome to Playing the Ace. I had the honor of interviewing a current OLLU student, one of ACE's own peer tutors, and a professional writing consultant. Each offered their different experiences with tutoring. Our goal this week is to bring you a realistic view and understanding of the benefits of tutoring. Let's meet our friends.
So my name is Arena. I'm a senior and I'm majoring in kinesiology.
Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm a peer tutor in math and science.
Well, my name is Jason. I am a professional writing consultant with the Mary Francine Danish Writing Center, housed inside of the Academic Center for Excellence.
My first question for them was whether they had sought out tutoring before and what that experience was like.
I used it for most of my classes, for college algebra, for English composition too, for chemistry, for biology, for all different classes. But that was my first time. And when my professor told me, because I'm an international student, she said, well, we have people here that will help you. I was like, really? I was really happy because I was struggling with that class. And then once I found out about the tutors and everything, I was there every time. And so every time I knew I had something to submit or to do, like I knew I have somebody that will help me and I was less stressed, and that really helped me a lot. They're really good. Like I had a great experience and with all of them, especially with Sister Anne. So everybody's just really nice. They were just trying to help you, and like if you don't understand, like they will ask you, and like they're just really good people. So I I'm just telling like everybody like in my team, like when they're struggling with one class, I'm just go to the A's, like they will help you and be like, I don't know, I'm just you have to go because like it really helps.
My experience with tutoring and seeking academic help has mostly been positive. I was a bit shy at first to ask questions and to interact with other people in the tutoring groups, but the tutors and teachers were always very good at making me feel welcome and having a really open learning environment, and that really helped a lot.
Working in the ACE, I'm always grateful when students share with us how they've benefited from tutoring. I love to hear from students how their tutoring sessions went, and with some, how they've reflected on the benefits of asking for help. The surveys you receive after a tutoring session really help us think about your needs and experiences here in the ACE. But you must remember that tutoring is a relationship. It takes two to make the process work. With my second question, I wanted to know from our professionals if they view tutoring differently as or once as a student and as a professional. Let's see what they had to say.
So, as a student, I can really understand how someone may have reservations about seeing a tutor. For me personally, I was always afraid that I would be judged for not knowing something or for answering questions wrong. And but as a tutor, I see that when I'm sitting down with a student, my only thoughts are about helping them succeed and doing whatever I can to make sure that they reach their academic goals. And I've learned that as a tutor, tutoring is just another tool in the toolbox that allows you to successfully reach your goals.
So as a student and as a peer tutor, I did find it that I had a little bit more comfort at times because I could also commiserate with a student. As a professional, and having had that experience as a peer tutor and those interactions, I now am more comfortable not only listening to see where, like you said, that emotional component.
For this last question, I want you to hear some of the best guidance I have ever heard. If you have ever found yourself in a position needing some help with your studies or anything, but are hesitant to seek that help, just remember this.
There was some basic stuff that I didn't know, and everybody was saying like it's okay. And then from them, like I learned that it's okay not to know. But once you're there to go and learn, like you're willing to get better, and they should understand this. So when we stress out and like we have all the anxiety and stuff, like ACE is there like to make you feel better and to understand stuff and like just to do what's the best for you. That uh this place is just amazing because I just mentioned like every time like because you stress a lot about classes and everything, and just like even last week I was just stressing about chemistry because I wasn't understanding. I was like, just breathe and then make an appointment and everything's gonna be okay. And that's what really happened because like you make an appointment and just everything like just makes sense.
The Academic Center for Excellence is staffed by people who want to help. I say this as someone who has ignored a need for tutoring, but has also lived the benefits of seeking help. There is nothing wrong with asking for help. Whether it is academics, mental health, physical health, anything. Asking for help is not a weakness. In fact, asking for help is probably the truest and most courageous act anyone can choose. Please, please remember that you are not alone. We at the ACE are here for you. Thank you so much for watching Playing the ACE. If you want to send us ideas for the show, just email us at writing@ollusa.edu or send us a DM on one of our social media platforms. We'll see you next week. And remember, don't gamble with your academic success.
Playing the Ace is a new web series from OLLU's Academic Center for Excellence. Every week, we will be talking about elements and strategies that can help you develop as a learner. Join us and enhance your learning experience.